If your mining site feels like a money pit, it's time to dig into LPG. This versatile fuel is transforming the way we approach mining, offering a range of benefits that can make your operations more efficient and cost-effective. Let's see how this powerhouse fuel can turn things around. From transportation to on-site usage, LPG is proving to be a game changer. Liquid petroleum gas, or LPG, is making waves in the mining industry. Its adaptability and efficiency are unmatched, making it a preferred choice for many mining operations. It's efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. These three pillars are crucial for any modern mining operation looking to stay competitive and sustainable. And who doesn't love saving a bit of cash while going green? The dual benefits of cost savings and environmental responsibility make LPG an attractive option. First off, LPG burns cleaner than diesel or coal, reducing harmful emissions. This is a significant advantage in an industry often criticized for its environmental impact. That means a healthier environment for your workers and the planet. Cleaner air quality can lead to fewer health issues and a more motivated workforce. Plus, less maintenance on your machines. Win-win. Cleaner burning fuel means less residue and wear on your equipment, extending its lifespan and reducing downtime. Next, LPG is incredibly versatile. Its applications in mining are vast and varied, making it a one-stop solution for many of your energy needs. It powers everything from drills and generators to heating systems on site. This versatility means you can streamline your fuel supply chain, reducing logistical headaches. One fuel, many uses. Talk about convenience. Worried about cost? Let's dive into the financial benefits. LPG is often cheaper than traditional fuels, and its efficiency means you get more bang for your buck. Lower fuel costs can translate into significant savings over time. Lower fuel costs can seriously boost your bottom line. Imagine reallocating those savings to other critical areas of your operation, like safety or new technology. And let's not overlook safety. In an industry where safety is paramount, LPG offers several advantages. LPG has a higher ignition temperature than many other fuels, reducing the risk of accidental fires. Safety first always. This can lead to fewer accidents and a safer working environment. So why stick with outdated fuels when LPG offers a cleaner, cheaper, and safer alternative? The transition to LPG can be seamless and highly beneficial. It's time to modernize your mining operations with LPG. Thanks for watching. Embrace the future of mining with this innovative fuel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make your mining operations more efficient and eco-friendly. Catch you next time. Stay tuned for more insights and updates.